Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on Topic Operating System. So, let's get started. What is the primary difference between Shortest Job First, SJF, and Shortest Remaining Time First, SRTF, scheduling? The correct answer is option B. SJF is non-preemptive, while SRTF is preemptive. In the context of virtual memory, what occurs when a system spends more time processing page faults than executing actual instructions? The correct answer is option C, thrashing. The banker's algorithm is primarily used for which of the following purposes? The correct answer is option A, deadlock avoidance. In a Unix-like file system, which structure contains metadata about a file such as its size, permissions, and owner, but not its name? The correct answer is option D, a node. When a process is waiting for an I/O operation to complete, which state is it currently in? The correct answer is option B, blocked/waiting. Which memory allocation strategy picks the smallest hole that is big enough to satisfy the request? The correct answer is option C, best fit. Which mechanism allows a device to transfer data directly to or from the main memory without constant CPU intervention? The correct answer is option A, direct memory access, DMA. Which synchronization construct provides a high-level abstraction that encapsulates shared data and the procedures that operate on it, ensuring mutual exclusion automatically? The correct answer is option D, monitor. Which page replacement algorithm replaces the page that has not been used for the longest period of time? The correct answer is option B, least recently used, LRU. In Unix, what is the return value of the fork, system call in the child process? The correct answer is option C, 0. Which of the following is a characteristic of user-level threads compared to kernel-level threads? The correct answer is option A, context switching is faster because it doesn't involve the kernel. Which disk scheduling algorithm services requests in a way that the disk arm moves from one end of the disk to the other, servicing requests along the way, and then reverses direction? The correct answer is option D, scan. In an access matrix model of protection, what do the rows and columns represent respectively? The correct answer is option B, rows equals domains, columns equals objects. A microkernel architecture moves as many services as possible from the kernel into which space? The correct answer is option C, user space. Which interprocess communication, IPC, mechanism is generally faster for exchanging large amounts of data between processes on the same machine? The correct answer is option A, shared memory. What is the primary purpose of a context switch? The correct answer is option D, to save the state of a process so it can be resumed later. If there are 4 processes with a CPU utilization of P, what is the formula for the total CPU utilization in a multi-programming system? The correct answer is option B, 1 open parenthesis 1 minus p close parenthesis to the power of 4. Which type of fragmentation occurs when the allocated memory block is slightly larger than the requested memory? The correct answer is option C, internal fragmentation. What is the function of the translation look-aside buffer, TLB? The correct answer is option A, to cache page table entries for faster address translation. In a segmentation scheme, a logical address consists of which two parts? The correct answer is option D, segment number and offset. Peterson's solution is a classic software-based solution to which problem? The correct answer is option B, the critical section problem. In a resource allocation graph, what does a directed edge from a resource to a process signify? The correct answer is option C. The resource is currently allocated to the process. Which technique uses a high-speed buffer to hold data temporarily while it is being transferred between two devices or between a device and an application? The correct answer is option A, buffering. A hard real-time system is one where the correct answer is option D. Missing a deadline results in total system failure. Which of the following is the first program run by a computer when it is powered on? The correct answer is option B, the bootstrap loader, BIOS/UEFI. What is the range of values for a counting semaphore? The correct answer is option C, an unrestricted domain of integers. Which file allocation method suffers from the problem that a single disk block corruption can result in the loss of all subsequent blocks in the file? The correct answer is option A, linked allocation. Belady's anomaly refers to the phenomenon where the correct answer is option D. Increasing page frames leads to more page faults. In the one-to-one multithreading model, the correct answer is option B. Each user-level thread is mapped to a unique kernel thread. Which RAID level provides no redundancy and focuses solely on performance through striping? The correct answer is option C, RAID 0. Thank you for watching.